Hi everyone, I've got a Kia Venga here. Just going to show you about this tyre pressure monitor system on this. But before you do anything, make sure you've got the pressure right. So this one's got 205, 55, 16s on there. So you put 32, 32 all round, or 35, 35 all round if you've got a load. Now this is the light that I'm talking about. What you want to do is once you've replaced or checked the pressure or replaced the sensor, you gotta have it stationary parked off for like between 15 to 20 minutes. If not that, then all you gotta do is drive for over, just say 5 minutes, over 50 miles per hour. That should reset itself up. The instruction will follow up as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.